Others, today's world, information is not your edge. Focus is your edge. So, how we can focus? That is why we have introduced something which is going to help and save your time. So, people do track bulk deals. But what about that if you can track bulk deal properly? Suppose you go on we have given a date wise, investor wise, company wise bulk deal. Now, if you come on a company wise bulk deal, there is a, like, say, I have selected this four. You can see that I want to track maybe last 5 days bulk deal. And last 5 days, I may see and many bulk deals is coming on my radar. Now, if I have selected this, based on a need buying, because there are a lot of HFT buying is also going on in a market. So similar buying and selling is happening in a market. So, or sometimes maybe uh, uh, which are irrelevant that just to create a liquidity, and some are relevant as well. So whenever you are looking at certain sectors or certain businesses, if you can just put on a favorite, this star you mark, and this will come on this a particular star mark folder. Now, if you come on watch list, there are automatically you don't have to create a folder. Automatic folder will create, bundle will come, and you can note what is the reason. And if you want to delete something which is not important for you, you can delete. Similarly, if you come on a filter stock, you can filter businesses that I want to select no on a weekly breakout, which are the stocks are having. Okay, weekly breakout action construction, KPI take, PVR Inox, E2E. Say, if I select in this way, or so like other way of that I want something, no, that stock which has not moved much. I don't want to select uh, diamond power. So it may be different reason. Who you are, you want to trade, you want to track that business for further study, you want to buy that when any market correction will come. So you may be anyone. Now monthly breakout. If you come on a monthly breakout, okay, these are the stocks are giving, and now you want to restrict no your filter that I want stock which are have given move below 50% in last 66 days. You will see diamond cable already removed. Now you can select action construction. You want to put many other filter RSI, EMA, average amount, delivery surge, and I want to check no where some 10x delivery has happened. So you will get, okay, fine, RK4G is there. So these are the business of something monthly breakout and some good delivery volume is going on. So in weekly also you can select in a similar way. Now if I select those businesses, now I can focus those businesses. That monthly breakout, just looking at this. Prepare your note, whatever you looking at, study that by doing going in a fundamental. I already conveyed about that. Okay, fine. This K Forge is getting some US order and all, and they're coming out from a headwind to tailwind. Similarly, like it's not a recommendation. I'm just conveying all of you that what are the things one must study. Similarly, if you go on a corporate filing, you will see that okay, these are the uh, announcements are coming. If you want to track certain announcement that I want to see, if you are definitely checking information, no, your own every day, say you want to check certain information from July, that you want to restrict that information that I want to last 4 5 days. You will see that ACI, Acutus, ACC, Action Construction, so many informations will pop up to you. Now, if anything attracts you, know, I want to track this information. Maybe some uh, you want to check. which other company is done a QIP. You want to check. You will see, okay, Neogen Capital. Okay, let me just track it. And if you want to see now some preferential issue you want to track, you can track that as well. Just put a star mark and whatever you want to select, Hariom pipe on 21st May. So we'll go to this watch list. There is a screen section. Now in this screen section, high priority filing sections. Now Gabriel, RMC, Rajratan is coming. So these are the section, no, all announcement section. Automatic folder will create that, okay, that app I'm tracking. Why? Because of some announcement. So some fundraising is happening at a 238. So these are the thing, if you are noting down, so you're not going to miss. You're going to focus on those businesses which you are following. Now, not only this Baldale filter stock, we have given a corporate filing. At the same time, if you want to select quarterly result, that I want to track results and I want to see where year on year growth is this. I want to track 2K to 20K year companies and I want to track AC, maybe Atul, Bajaj, Avantel. Say, just giving an example. S- It may be some other thing. It may be a profit quarter on quarter growth or year on year growth. You want to select businesses which will come on a that okay, fine. This is the company where some PAT growth is happening on a year on year. And if you want to select, no, I want something which are doing quarter on quarter good. That also you can select. Sales profit, both you want to select that I want businesses which are growing their sales and profit both. You may select Beta Drug, BPL, Gandhar, this. And once you select all this, it will come to this watch list section. And watch list section will come with that you are tracking this 11 stock. And what is the reason you just noted down? That this is the reason I have selected. It may be multiple reason. That is why we have not given a default reason to you. So you can write it may be volume, it may be result, it may be some institutional buyers. So you have your own note. Only thing is you don't have to create a folder your own. We have given that automatically you select a folder will be created. Slowly we'll implement for our investor also you whatever you want to track, promoter buying you want to track. So we are giving you that so you can focus. So as of now, this much and we give very interesting. We feel that our users should be equally knowledgeable, so I don't want that user to come and just um, take one trade or something, whatever they are doing, no? Because everyone in a different stage of their life. But if they learn something, see cable sector we have given, defense aerospace we spoke about, pharmaceuticals we spoke about. And in cable sector, if you look at, because we feel that they should know about a value chain and we have given a clear-cut value chain that what kind of things to be looked at, why high voltage direct current to be looked at, what is the mode, power grid, what are the things to be looked at when you are looking at a cable sector, what are the triggers, and which other things are very difficult to do. EHV is very difficult to do. Who are doing all these things? HVDC is very difficult to do. So who are doing all these things? Now, what are the terms used in a conference call? What are the things to be looked at? Now, you will see that Diamond Power, most of the cases, Diamond Power appeared. We have given a 1 month back this particular newsletter, and definitely it is going to help you. This is not a recommendation. But once you read all these things, no, you have a knowledge. If that stock come on your filter stock, weekly breakout, monthly breakout, because it was coming from a multiple days. We have a given a top 100 scan where you can see the number of score also. If you go this business, diacab is 100 to 5 day score. It was coming for a long day, like a long time, last 1 month, it came on our radar. Cable sector was coming on our radar. So you can create your own index, you can create your custom index. Custom index we have given. If you want to select your own index, you can create new index. And if you want to see no custom index, we have given all index. And those who are using, they know how to look at things. So I'm not going into that. And slowly we'll implement, no? So you can focus on only things you want to focus. And you should cut the noise. That if you follow everything, you are going to miss because your brain is having a certain capacity. It cannot run overloaded if you just want them to work on no that 10 AI report you can read, but you cannot retain those information. You cannot build the conviction. Read one or two, retain that, focus on that, execute. Then you think that okay, fine, this is a long term, short term, what it is for you. Thank you, everyone.